Anna and Momo, a journey of love and friendship. This is a warm and happy story about Anna and her little cat, Momo. Anna didn't have a pet before, but one day she decided to take care of Momo. Through their days together, Anna learns about love, patience, and friendship. Join us to see how a small cat can bring big happiness and teach us important lessons. Anna loves cats. She has a small gray cat named Momo. Momo is very cute and friendly. Every morning, Anna wakes up and feeds Momo. She gives him cat food and fresh water. Momo likes to eat fish-flavored food. After eating, Momo drinks water and purrs happily. Anna feels happy to see Momo smile. Sometimes, Momo plays with a small ball. He runs and jumps around the room. Anna cleans Momo's litter box every day. She wants Momo to live in a clean place. Momo likes to sleep on the soft sofa. He closes his eyes and sleeps peacefully. In the afternoon, Anna and Momo play together. Anna uses a toy mouse to play with Momo. Momo jumps and tries to catch the toy. Anna laughs. She loves to spend time with Momo. One day, Momo got sick. He did not want to eat or play. Anna was worried. She took Momo to the vet. The vet checked Momo and gave him medicine. Anna took good care of Momo at home. After a few days, Momo got better. He started to eat and play again. Anna was very happy. She learned that pets need love and care. Taking care of a cat is a big responsibility. Momo is not just a pet. He is Anna's friend. They share happy moments and love. Anna knows that having a pet teaches her to be kind and patient. At night, Momo sleeps next to Anna. She feels warm and safe. Anna smiles and thinks, "Momo is my happy cat." Anna wakes up early every morning. She checks on Momo first thing. Momo stretches and purrs softly. Anna smiles and pets him gently. After breakfast, Anna cleans the house. Momo likes to follow her everywhere. He jumps on the windowsill and watches birds outside. Sometimes, Momo chases a small red dot from a laser pointer. He runs quickly and tries to catch it with his paws. Anna laughs and claps her hands. In the evening, Anna reads a book while Momo sits on her lap. He feels warm and safe there. Anna talks softly to Momo, telling him stories about her day. Momo loves attention. When Anna talks, he blinks slowly, a sign of trust. Anna knows that cats show love in their own special way. One rainy day, Anna stayed home all day. Momo was happy because she was with him. They played with yarn and napped together on the couch. Anna learned that pets need company and kindness. Even small moments with Momo made her feel peaceful and joyful. Sometimes, Anna takes Momo to the park. She carries him in a special bag. Momo likes to see the trees and listen to the birds. At the park, children smile when they see Momo. Anna tells them about how to care for cats. She hopes to teach others to be kind to animals. Back home, Anna brushes Momo's fur. He enjoys it very much. Grooming helps keep Momo clean and happy. Anna feels proud to be Momo's owner. She promises to always love and care for him. Momo is more than a pet. He is family. Anna knows that caring for Momo teaches her patience, responsibility, and love every day. On weekends, Anna invited her friends over to meet Momo. They laughed as Momo chased toys and climbed furniture. Her friends asked many questions about caring for cats. Anna happily shared what she learned. She wanted to help others understand the joy and responsibility of pet care. One day, Anna found a little kitten outside her door. The kitten looked cold and scared. Anna gently picked up the kitten and brought it inside. She gave it food and a warm blanket. Momo sniffed the kitten curiously. After a while, they became friends. Anna smiled. She knew her home was now fuller and happier. She promised to care for both Momo and the new kitten with love. Anna's days were busy but joyful. She realized that caring for animals teaches kindness, patience, and hope. She felt grateful for the happiness her pets brought to her life. Every evening, Anna sat by the window with Momo and the kitten, watching the stars. She whispered, "Thank you for teaching me about love." The pets purred and cuddled close, sharing their warmth. Anna knew that friendship and love could grow in the smallest hearts, and in those quiet moments, she found true happiness. Spring came softly, and the days grew warmer. Momo and the kitten, now named Kiki, played together happily. Their small paws chased each other across the sunny floors, and their gentle purrs filled the house with comfort. Anna watched them with a smile. She felt a deep happiness she had never known before. The love she shared with Momo and Kiki made her heart full. One morning, Anna noticed Kiki watching a small bird outside the window. Kiki's eyes sparkled with curiosity. Anna thought about how simple moments with her pets brought so much joy. Sometimes Anna took Momo and Kiki to the park. She carried them in a soft bag, and they loved the fresh air and new sights. At the park, children smiled and waved. Anna told them stories about kindness and caring for animals. She hoped her words would inspire others. Back home, Anna learned new ways to care for her pets. She read books, talked to the vet, and practiced patience and love every day. One evening, Anna wrote in her diary, "Momo and Kiki teach me that love is gentle and patient. They show me how to be kind." Anna's friends noticed how much she had changed. She was calmer, happier, and more caring. Her friends asked her about her secret. Anna replied, "Love and friendship from my pets have changed my life. They have taught me the true meaning of kindness." On weekends, Anna invited her friends to meet Momo and Kiki. Everyone laughed as the pets played and cuddled. Anna shared her lessons about responsibility and care. She hoped her story would help others. One day, Anna found a stray dog near her house. The dog was thin and scared. Anna remembered how she helped Kiki when she was scared and alone. She gently approached the dog, offering food and soft words. The dog slowly trusted Anna. She decided to help the dog find a home. Anna understood that love could grow bigger when shared. Her home was becoming a place of warmth, care, and hope. Momo, Kiki, and the new dog named Max soon became friends. Anna watched them play and rest together. Their happiness filled the house. One quiet night, Anna sat by the window with Momo, Kiki, and Max. She whispered, "Thank you for teaching me about love, patience, and joy." The pets purred and wagged their tails, sharing their love. Anna knew that caring for animals was more than a duty. It was a journey of the heart. And so their days were filled with laughter, learning, and love. The next morning, Anna woke up feeling thankful. She looked at her 3 friends and smiled. They were her family now. Anna decided to start a small group for people who loved animals. She wanted to share what she had learned and help others care for their pets. She called it Friends for Paws. Every week, people came to learn about animal care, kindness, and friendship. Anna loved teaching about feeding, grooming, and playing with pets. She told stories about Momo, Kiki, and Max, and how they helped her grow. One day, a little boy named Tim came to the group. He was shy and scared of animals. Anna gently showed him how to pet Momo softly. Tim's eyes lit up. He smiled for the first time and laughed when Momo played with his fingers. Anna felt happy. She knew that love could help even the shyest hearts grow. At home, Momo, Kiki, and Max seemed to understand Anna's new mission. They greeted new visitors with soft purrs and wagging tails. Anna spent time teaching them new tricks and giving them plenty of hugs. Her home was filled with love and joy. One afternoon, a neighbor brought a little injured bird to Anna's door. Anna carefully took the bird inside and made a warm bed for it. She cared for the bird patiently, feeding it and keeping it safe. Momo and Kiki watched with curious eyes, while Max stayed close to protect. After many days, the bird grew stronger. One morning, Anna opened the window and the bird flew away. Anna felt proud and peaceful. She knew that love and care could heal even the smallest creatures. Back at the Friends for Paws group, Anna shared the story. Everyone clapped and smiled. Anna realized that kindness was a circle. It started with her and spread to others, animals and people alike. Seasons changed, and Anna's group got bigger. More people joined to learn and share love for their pets. Anna felt grateful for the community and the friendship she had made. One evening, Anna sat outside with Momo, Kiki, and Max. The sky was painted with pink and orange as the sun set. She thought about her journey from a small home with one cat to a warm house full of love and friends. She whispered, "Thank you for being with me through every step." Momo purred, Kiki nuzzled her hand, and Max rested his head on her lap. Anna smiled, knowing that love was the greatest gift she had ever received. Her heart was full, and her spirit was light. As night deepened, Anna felt a calm peace inside her. The quiet sounds of her pets breathing softly filled the room with comfort. She thought about how much she had grown. Taking care of Momo, Kiki, and Max had taught her about patience, kindness, and the beauty of simple moments. Anna remembered the first day she found Momo, a small cat needing love, and smiled. From that moment, her life had changed forever. She looked at her pets, feeling grateful for their trust and friendship. They were her family, her teachers, and her joy. The next morning, Anna woke early and opened the window. Fresh air and the songs of birds greeted her. She decided to write a letter to her future self, reminding her to always care with love and patience. Later, Anna visited the park with Momo, Kiki, and Max. Children came to pet the animals and hear Anna's stories about kindness. Anna smiled, knowing her small group, Friends for Paws, was helping the community learn love for animals. One day, a young girl named Lily joined the group. She was shy, but loved animals deeply. Anna showed Lily how to gently hold Kiki and pet Momo. Lily's face lit up with joy. Anna thought, love can change hearts one person at a time. Back home, Anna made a special photo album filled with pictures of Momo, Kiki, Max, and the friends she met. She wrote stories next to each photo, moments of care, fun, and friendship. Anna hoped that sharing these memories would inspire others to open their hearts to animals. One rainy afternoon, Anna cuddled with her pets, thinking about the lessons they taught her. She whispered, "Love is patient. Love is kind. It is the greatest gift we can give and receive." Momo purred, Kiki nuzzled her cheek, and Max rested peacefully. Anna knew that no matter what challenges came, love would always guide her. She closed her eyes and dreamed of a world where all animals were cared for and loved. And with that hope, Anna's heart was full. Her journey with Momo, Kiki, and Max was a story of friendship, growth, and endless love. It was a story she would share forever.
As the days turned into weeks, Anna felt her heart grow even fuller. Every smile from a child at the park, every purr from Momo, and every wag of Max's tail reminded her why she cared so much. One evening, Anna sat quietly with her pets. The room was filled with soft light, and a gentle breeze whispered through the open window. She thought about all the people who had joined Friends for Paws, all the animals who had found love and care. Anna realized that small acts of kindness could ripple out and touch many lives. She looked at Momo, Kiki, and Max and whispered, "Thank you for being my teachers." Suddenly, Max barked softly, and Kiki curled closer to Anna. It was as if they understood her words. Anna smiled, feeling the quiet magic of their bond. Weeks later, the community held a special event for pet lovers. Anna was invited to speak. Standing before the crowd, she shared her story, how love for 3 little animals had changed her life. She spoke about patience, responsibility, and the joy of caring. Her words touched many hearts. After the speech, a woman approached Anna with tears in her eyes. "Your story gave me hope," she said. "I want to start caring for animals too." Anna hugged her gently, feeling the power of love to inspire change. Back home, Anna found a letter waiting for her. It was from a child she had met at the park. "Thank you for teaching me to be kind," the letter said. "I helped my cat today, and I feel happy." Anna's eyes filled with tears of joy. She placed the letter in her special album, a reminder that love spreads like sunshine. One quiet night, Anna dreamed of a world where every animal had a home, every heart knew kindness, and every life was touched by love. She woke with a smile, ready to keep sharing her journey. Momo purred softly, Kiki meowed gently, and Max rested peacefully at her feet. Anna knew this was just the beginning. Her story and theirs would continue, full of warmth, hope, and endless love. And so, with a grateful heart and her beloved friends by her side, Anna stepped forward into the future, ready for whatever adventure came next. Because with love, anything is possible. Thank you for joining Anna, Momo, Kiki, and Max on their beautiful journey of love and friendship. If this story touched your heart, please like and subscribe to follow more warm, inspiring tales about kindness, pets, and life's simple joys. Remember, love and patience can change the world, one small paw at a time. See you in the next adventure.